Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog.
Happy Mother's Day! Wishing you guys, and especially my wife, but I'm wishing every mother out there a beautiful Mother's Day. You deserve the best because now I know what you guys go through. Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day. Moms are just a special kind of being. I got so emotional this morning. Mo, he wrote me, well, Mo and Nalia, they wrote me very sweet cards and took me by surprise. Yeah, just the words and just reflecting on what it is to be a mom. It's a very beautiful and special thing. So happy Mother's Day. We are in Miami still, and we actually had, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, I shared a little bit about what happened. We were supposed to move to an apartment up the coast a little bit on the beach, as I mentioned in my last video, and actually it turned out to be a complete disaster. The apartment was not at all what we expected, and there were so many like issues with the apartment, even just like safety things. We documented everything, and thankfully Airbnb, they did refund us, so we were able to move to another place, and we have come back now to the one hotel. We had such a good experience here the first week, so we are back. Right now we are heading to a brunch with some friends, with Sam and Jared and their daughter Violet. Sam also does YouTube. You guys should definitely check her out. I'll have her link down below. She is amazing. I love her. It's so fun that we have met here on this trip.
So guys, we have been here at Call Me Gabby. It's just here.
The best.
We with this beautiful family, Sam and Jared.
She knows.
Hey.
I didn't tell her to do that. We got our princess.
That's
We got
our
our
little
real
princess.
princess.
And now we're gonna go to the hotel and chill a little bit at the pool.
What an honor. We just filmed for Sam's channel. Her video will already be live, so I will have it linked down below, but it was such a fun conversation about mom life, wellness. If you guys love my content, you will love Sam's content. She does so much. Such beautiful videos. She's just such an inspiration to me, and the fact that we got to meet, like, it's just like so surreal.
When two worlds collide, because it's like, who would think we'd be in Miami at the same time, you know?
Thank you for having me on your channel, and I will have the video linked.
Casual conversation about mom life and like all the things you might be thinking in your head where you're like, am I the only one who thinks that? Yeah.
And we were having this conversation downstairs by the pool. Sam was like, we need to record this. So it's a very like authentic, real conversation about things that I was just asking her. She's just so inspiring in her answers and all of that. So definitely check it out. Yeah, we're just chilling in like our beach.
We didn't plan this.
Beach wear, I know.
This is the Florida uniform. Shirt. If you guys come here, you have to wear a button down and a bathing suit.
Bikini.
Yeah.
The best combo.
Hello. Say hello. Yes. Bye. Bye.
Good morning. We have come down to breakfast today. Nalia's eating really well. She's having eggs, oats. Not very aesthetic this morning. We just grabbed lots of yummy things from the buffet. Oh, he's okay.
Good morning. morning from my side as well. Breakfast was good, and it's always nice to have a little walk after breakfast or after food.
We haven't been to the buffet much here since we do have the kitchen in our room, but I love a good hotel breakfast buffet. I take a little bit of everything. Okay, more yummy food. I got this beautiful package from Sakara with their meals. Everything has been sitting in the fridge, so I just opened the tops of a few of them. This all looks so good. If you guys have not heard of Sakara, they are a meal delivery service. They also do supplements and just really great, like organic, fresh food that is literally delivered to your door. I'm not working with them on this video, so I don't have a code for you, but I will have their website linked down below if you guys want to check them out. We are getting all packed up, ready to go. Our last day today. So crazy to think we've been here for 3 weeks. We've just had such an incredible time. We've loved the sunshine, the nature, the warm weather, the water, also just learning a lot about different neighborhoods. We've met with lots of realtors, people who specialize, in certain areas of Miami, showing properties, to see what we could potentially get if we do end up moving here. So there's of course a lot of other things to consider as well, but the idea that it might be a reality is super exciting. I feel really nice and like charged up from the sunshine, the vitamin D. I feel like I have a good storage now to bring back home with me. Definitely feels very refreshing and really, really nice. The last few days we've just been relaxing a lot by the pool, just taking in the resort, the amenities. Nalia's been loving the swimming pool, and she is obsessed with dogs as well. Whenever we go walking by the beach or anywhere really, whenever she sees a dog, she wants to get its attention, and she like starts flapping her arms and her legs and just the cutest little sounds to get the dog's attention, and it's so sweet. Yeah, we've just been relaxing a lot here by the hotel and enjoying the last few days here. I have also been able to go to the gym a few times here at the hotel, which feels absolutely incredible. I have not been to a gym since like before COVID. I've been doing almost all of my workouts at home, which I love too. I have weights at home. I love doing strength exercises, but what's cool when you go to a gym is that they have different kinds of weights, so I can play around with that, which is really fun, and just challenge myself. So that has been really nice, and also something that I think is making me feel really, really good. Anyway, I am going to finish up the packing here, get everything done. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, room. Thank you. Bye-bye, Miami. Are you ready? We got a long flight ahead of us. Say ready, mommy. Ready. This was our bedroom. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just like that, we are back home. Actually feels really nice to be back in our own space, to sleep in our own bed, just have our things again. And the weather's also been beautiful. Like, we arrived to what feels like summer. I know it's not officially summer yet, but like 24 degrees, sunny, everything is so green and lush and super pretty. So I thought I would round up this video with a few of my favorite things that I got whilst we were in Miami. Firstly, I want to show you guys the the bikini that I wore most of the time there. I actually got this on Amazon, and it's one of my favorite styles of bikinis that I've ever owned. It's so flattering, it's so comfortable. I love the design of it. It just accentuates everything so beautifully, and I love that you can also adjust the straps. I think it's always nice to have that option to make it fit perfectly to you and to your body. The bottoms are also a little bit more high cut, which is also very flattering. I love the color too, so I got it in this beautiful kind of sagey green color, super pretty. And then because I loved it so much, I also got it in the blue color, which is a really pretty light kind of baby pastel blue, super pretty. And then I also got it in the white color as well, so I love this. Clearly I got 3 colors. Next, I have a few workout items to show you that I also got from Amazon. I actually didn't bring any workout clothes with me, I forgot, so I genuinely needed to get a workout bra. I got this really nice one, which comes in a set of 3, and that is the back of it. It's very pretty, very comfortable. I love the long line of it, so I think that's always very again, comfortable but very flattering. The set came with this black color, also this really pretty soft green. This one has the pads still in it. Again, this is the back, very nice. And then it also came with a white one too. I did have my shorts with me though, which is what I wore on the bottom. I also got a few tops to wear over the workout bras, and I really like these ones. These are like muscle tanks but for women, and I like that you can still, like, they're very lightweight but you can still see the pretty design of the sports bra underneath, but it's very like loose and comfortable. This also came in a set with a few different colors as well. I also saw this one, which I thought was super pretty. It's more cropped and the back is open here too, which is great for ventilation, but again, you can also kind of just peek at the crisscrossing of the workout bra, which I think is always very pretty. I love the color as well, and it does have larger arm sleeves here too, which makes it very comfortable, again very breathable. So I got it in this really pretty light blue, and then also in a white, which looks like this. Then I also got this white t-shirt here, which has a tie, kind of like a faux tie at the waist, which I thought was very pretty. These are all kind of wrinkled because they just came out of my suitcase, but very pretty, just a great classic. And then this is not a workout top, this is like an everyday kind of t-shirt. These are all from Amazon, by the way. I thought these would be great to wear with jeans, denim, skirts, anything a little bit more high-waisted. It is a cropped, simple white t-shirt. Spring is here now, summer is coming up, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, and it's very comfortable and just a great fit. The next thing is actually a homeware item that I've had my eye on for over a year. They are glasses, and they're so pretty. They have this beautiful ridged kind of ribbed detail, I would say. I've been wanting these for ages, and they've actually been in my Amazon.com cart. I did check just before I was about to get these in the US, and they had them here locally in our Amazon store. So I immediately bought them and I got them delivered here. They are just stunning. So I got these for smoothies, waters, and then I also got the cups versions too, and they are so pretty. I love making teas and matcha, so I'm super enthusiastic, let's say, about nice cups. And yeah, I've had my eye on these for such a long time, so I'm super excited that I finally got them, and bonus points that I got them here so I didn't have to bring them back in my suitcase. Speaking of, I got another pack of my favorite matcha from Peak. This is a US brand, so I stocked up when we were there. This is their Sun Goddess matcha, and I have one of these every single morning. It's the best, cleanest, most great tasting matcha that I've ever tried, so I would highly recommend them if you haven't tried them already. And also their BT Fountain electrolyte with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. This tastes really nice, and it's a great like afternoon pick-me-up. And also, very kindly, Hatch sent me their new Restore. This is an alarm clock, it's a night light, a sound machine. There are so many things that this little device does. You guys know I love their original Restore, and this is the new one that just launched with some updated features. I also love the design design of it. It's very neutral and beautiful. I love the colors and the textures of it. I'll make sure to have all of these things listed and linked for you down below in the description box if you guys want to check anything out. Then everything will be down below for you. Also, everything that I mentioned in the video, I'll go through and add as many links as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this little Miami series. If you guys have not seen my previous 2 videos that I filmed there, I will have them linked down below for you in the description box. Truly such an amazing time, and I'm so grateful that we got to do that. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day. Thanks so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.